Do you want to run powerful AI models on your own PC without needing the cloud, an internet connection, or a subscription? In this video I'll show you how I set up Ollama on Windows to run models like Llama 3 completely offline. It's easier than you think, and the best part, it's completely free. Whether you have a mid-range setup or something more powerful, you can follow along and try this today. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to head over to the official Ollama website. Once you are there, you can click on download, and once you click on download, you move on to the next page where you can choose your OS, Mac OS, Linux or Windows. In this case I have a Windows computer, I will choose download for Windows. The installer is lightweight and should only take a few seconds to download depending on your internet connection. For me it took about 1 to 2 minutes to download. So after the download is finished, you can run the installer and follow the prompts. The installation is super simple, you don't have to configure anything manually. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice a new app called Ollama in your start menu. When you click on it, nothing really pops up, and that's normal. Ollama runs quietly in the background. If you look at your system tray, you'll see Ollama icon there. You can right click on it to access settings or view logs if you ever need to troubleshoot something. From here on, you'll interact with Ollama through terminal or command prompt. It's where you run your AI models. To make sure Ollama is installed correctly, open your command prompt or Windows terminal, then just type the following command, Ollama. If everything was installed properly, you see a list of available commands like run, pull, and list. This means Ollama is running on your system and it's ready to go. Moving on, let's look at what models are available to run. You can browse the official list by going to the Ollama website and clicking on the models tab. Or if you want a more detailed view like I do, you can check out their GitHub page. On the GitHub page, you'll find a full list of available models along with their sizes and requirements. One important thing to note is hardware requirements. According to the GitHub page, you should have at least 8GB of RAM to run 7B models, 16GB for 13B models, and 32GB if you want to try a 33B model. Since we want to keep this video quick and easy to follow, I'm going with a smaller model, LLaMA 3.2 1B, which is only about 1.3GB in size. To run it, we'll open command prompt again and use the following command, Ollama run LLaMA 3.2 1B. The first time you run this, Ollama will automatically download the model, so you need to be connected to the internet. Once it's downloaded, you don't have to download it again. Future runs will load directly from your local storage. After the model loads, you see a prompt where you can start chatting with it, all completely offline. Now that the model is loaded, let's test out to make sure it's working properly. I'll go ahead and type in a simple question, and here you can see it responds right away with the answer. That means the model is working perfectly fine and it's running entirely on my PC. No internet, no API keys, nothing else needed. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip that I think a lot of people miss, and I haven't seen it explained clearly in other videos. By default, when you download models in Ollama, they get saved to your C drive, but if you're like me, you might want to save them in another drive that has more free space. Here's the easiest way to do it. Just go down to taskbar, right click on Ollama icon in the system tray and choose setting. From there you can choose the location where you want the models to be stored. And that's it, no need for command line tricks or config files edit. This is a clean, simple way to manage your storage. Now if you don't want to interact with Ollama through command line and prefer a full AI chat interface similar to other online tools available, there's a way to do that too. You can connect Ollama with a tool called WebUI. It gives a clean and user-friendly interface where you can choose between different models you downloaded, keep a chat history saved on your PC, log in for different users, even send images or files during conversation. The installation is very simple. I personally set it up without Docker and it was completely free. If it sounds interesting, I've made a separate video walking you through the setup. You can check it out above or in my channel. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to run AI models locally on your Windows PC using Ollama, all without relying on cloud or any paid services. Whether you're experimenting with small models like LLaMA 3.2 or testing different ones, Ollama makes it surprisingly simple and accessible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on more easy and practical tech tutorials like this one. I've been personally testing these tools for a while now, and everything shown here are based on my own experience. If you want to take it further and try out a full chat UI with model switching, file uploads, and saved conversations, check out the video on how to set up OpenWebUI with Ollama. It's linked above and in my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.